Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your country on Remitly's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your country on Remitly's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Remitly application. The home page of Remitly application will appear on the screen. Click on Manage option at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on Profile option. You will end up on the profile section of your Remitly's account. Scroll down and tap on Edit option right next to Sending From. Choose a country from the drop down and tap on Save. This is how you can change your country on Remitly's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.